루프 봤어. 살짝 깜짝이야. 다시 먼저 봤었어. 다시 했어.
Last intervening night, we had a specific information regarding presence of some militants in this area, Nagaon. After that, we launched a cordon search operation along with 50 ARA, and CRP also joined in. While searches were on, they fired upon the search party, and it ensued the encounter there. Now, an encounter has went on, and 2 militants have been neutralized so far. Area is being cleared for things. There is also some law and order situations. The people are pelting stones, but through you we are also requesting them not to come too near to the site so that we can clear it of some explosive and other things which generally remains with the militants and all. That is being identified. We will let you know that. Yes, we have injuries to our boys. While they were moving close to the target house, they had militants had lobbed the grenades over them. They had a splinter and grenade.